Hey everybody, welcome to my channel Additional Source Income. Today we're going to go over part 2 on the topic AI Influencer. Make sure to watch until the end as I will be going over the benefits, challenges, and controversies surrounding AI and the future of AI influencers. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. The future of AI influencers in the marketing industry. Despite the challenges and controversies, it is clear that AI influencers are here to stay. The potential of AI influencers to revolutionize the marketing industry is immense, and brands are increasingly recognizing their value. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more sophisticated and lifelike AI influencers emerge. In the future, AI influencers could become an integral part of marketing strategies, providing brands with a powerful tool to engage with their target audience. They could be used to create personalized and targeted marketing campaigns, delivering content that is tailored to the individual preferences of each follower. Additionally, AI influencers could play a role in driving social change and promoting positive causes. With their ability to reach a large audience and create engaging content, AI influencers have the potential to raise awareness about important issues and inspire action. How to collaborate with AI influencers. If you are a brand looking to collaborate with an AI influencer, there are several steps you can take. Firstly, you need to identify the right AI influencer for your brand. Consider their personality, interests, and values and ensure that they align with your brand image. Next, you will need to reach out to the AI influencers' creators or agencies to discuss collaboration opportunities. Be prepared to provide details about your brand, campaign, objectives, and any specific requirements you may have. Once you have established a collaboration, work closely with the AI influencers' creators to develop a content strategy that aligns with your brand messaging and goals. Provide clear guidelines and feedback to ensure that the content created by the AI influencer reflects your brand values. Finally, monitor the performance of the campaign and track the metrics such as engagement, reach, and conversions. Use the data to evaluate the success of the collaboration and make any necessary adjustments for future campaigns. The ethical considerations of using AI influencers. The use of AI influencers raises several ethical considerations that need to be addressed. Firstly, there is the issue of transparency. Brands and AI influencers need to be transparent with their audience about the fact that they are interacting with a virtual personality and not a real person. This will help to build trust and prevent any potential deception. There is also the question of data privacy. AI influencers collect and analyze large amounts of data about their audience, which raises concerns about how this data is used and protected. Brands and AI influencers need to ensure that they are following best practices when it comes to data privacy and security. Additionally, there is the issue of diversity and representation. AI influencers are often created to resemble a certain idealized version of beauty, which can perpetuate unrealistic standards and exclude underrepresented groups. Brands and AI influencers need to be mindful of these issues and strive for diversity and inclusivity in their content. Conclusion: the impact and potential of AI influencers. In conclusion, AI influencers are transforming the influencer marketing landscape and offering brands a new way to connect with their audience. AI influencers possess the capacity to examine data, comprehend patterns, and produce captivating content that connects with their audience, enabling them to exert influence on engagement, brand recognition, and even societal transformation. While there are challenges and controversies surrounding AI influencers, it is clear that they are here to stay. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more sophisticated and lifelike AI influencers emerge, offering brands new opportunities to engage with their target audience. As brand and consumers navigate this new era of AI influencers, it is crucial to be mindful of the ethical considerations and ensure transparency, data privacy, and diversity. By doing so, we can harness the full potential of AI influencers and create a digital landscape that is engaging, authentic, and inclusive. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.